My name is Josh Bruston, and I am one of the owners of Pinkham Real Estate in North Conway, New Hampshire.
I'm Emily Kavitchko, and I am the other owner of Pinkham Real Estate in North Conway.
Today, we are here to talk about the Black Diamond Residences, our newest development project in North Conway, right at the base of Cranmore Mountain. One of the reasons we're so excited about this new project is that in the last 2 years, we were lucky enough to represent a couple of other developers on other projects right at the base of Cranmore. And so it's kind of led us to this moment at Black Diamond Residences, which is a whole different level. Phase 1 of this development was Black Diamond Place, which is now sold out, and it's right behind us. And Black Diamond Place set a new bar for this market. As you can tell how contemporary it is, yet it still has really nice warm wood finishes as part of the build. It's sitting right on Kearsarge Brook, and it essentially abuts Cranmore Mountain. And so we're even more excited now for phase 2, which is Black Diamond Residences.
We're actually calling this expert level vacationing because this is just a very beautiful project. It's going to be much different than anything else around Cranmore. Really high quality, custom builds, great materials, and really wonderful builders. We're excited to work with them again.
I'm Doug Mullen. I'm the founder and president of Mullen Building.
And I'm Stacy Mullen, and I'm CFO and the designer.
Myself personally, I grew up coming here every February vacation during school. Met my wife Stacy. This was one of our favorite spots to come up, camp, stay at Airbnbs, and in 2016 we purchased our house here in the valley, and we've driven by these couple of parcels of land for ever. And when these came up for sale, it was almost an no-brainer.
So Black Diamond Residences Phase 2 will be 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, about 2,800 square feet, a little over. They'll have huge basements, which you could finish off as an option, whether it be a game room or a bar, multiple decks, garages.
There's a lot of development going on here in the valley. I think what sets us apart is the fact that we're custom home builders. So the construction materials used, metal roofs, the insulation, the windows, everything is well above builder grade. It's something that we're going to be proud of and can stand behind for years to come.
Unbeknownst to the Mullins, they happen to have purchased a property that is directly next to a ski resort that's just on fire right now. And they've invested tens and tens of millions of dollars into their area. They're continuing to infuse money into the resort so that the product that's being offered at Cranmore is at a much higher level than it has been before. But on the flip side, you're a 10-minute walk to North Conway Village. So if you don't want to ski one day and you want to go to the village, you're right there. It's a short bike ride or a walk, a nice walk to the village. You kind of have the best of all worlds here.
The Mount Washington Valley in general is close to our heart. Like I said, we've been coming up here since we were kids. We've been raising our family up here. We're up here every moment we can be and want to make our mark. And this right here, if this project is going to be something that we can be proud of, it's going to be amazing.